The Gigabyte X870E AORUS Elite WiFi7, Reverend 1.0 is a premium-class motherboard aimed at enthusiasts, gamers, creators, and professionals who are looking for a powerful and future-ready foundation for an AMD-based PC build. Designed around the AM5 platform, this motherboard offers compatibility with modern Ryzen processors and focuses on delivering a combination of performance, reliability, connectivity, and upgrade flexibility. It is positioned as a high-end option for users who want more than basic motherboard functionality and are planning a system that can handle demanding applications, high-performance gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads for years. The motherboard features a strong power delivery design that is built to support high-performance CPUs while maintaining stability during heavy workloads. This makes it suitable for users who frequently run demanding applications such as video editing, 3D rendering, streaming, software development, and competitive gaming. The advanced thermal design, including large heat sinks and improved cooling solutions around important components, helps manage heat effectively and maintain consistent performance. For users who prefer optimizing their system, the motherboard provides various BIOS settings and tuning options that allow greater control over performance, memory speeds, and system configurations. One of the biggest advantages of the Gigabyte X870E AORUS Elite WiFi7 is its modern connectivity features. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 support makes it a future-focused choice for users who want faster wireless networking capabilities when paired with compatible routers and devices. It also provides high-speed wired networking, multiple USB connectivity options, and support for next-generation storage and expansion technologies. These features make the motherboard suitable for users who connect multiple devices, use high-speed external storage, or require fast and stable network performance for gaming, work, or creative projects. The motherboard's DDR5 memory support allows users to take advantage of faster and more efficient RAM technologies. With support for high-speed memory configurations, it provides better performance potential for modern applications and gaming scenarios. The multiple M.2 storage slots offer flexibility for installing fast SSDs, allowing users to create systems with large storage capacity and quick data access. This is especially beneficial for content creators, gamers with large game libraries, and professionals who work with large files and applications. The overall build quality of the X870E AORUS Elite WiFi7 feels premium, with a focus on durability and long-term reliability. Features such as reinforced expansion slots, quality components, and a carefully designed motherboard layout help improve the overall building experience. The placement of connectors and expansion options is designed to provide convenience during installation, although users with smaller cases should still check compatibility due to the motherboard's full-size ATX design and extensive feature set.